Hey everyone, welcome back to NextGen Tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to easily convert your PowerPoint presentations into PDFs. It's a really simple process, and I'll walk you through it step by step. But before we start, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on more quick and helpful tech tips like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to iLovePDF.com. Once you're on the site, look for the PowerPoint to PDF option and click on it. Next, upload your PowerPoint file. You can either click Select PowerPoint File or just drag and drop it into the upload area. After your file is uploaded, click Convert to PDF. Give it a few seconds, and your PDF will be ready to download. And that's it. Your PowerPoint is now a PDF. Easy, right? If you found this helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, share it with anyone who might need it, and subscribe to NextGen Tutorials for more tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.